Hey guys, what is up? And welcome back after a long time to the Peachybbies channel for a restock video. So this is a super special restock, not only because I have completely redone everything about peachybbies.com. There's a new website, there's new packaging. If you guys order from me, you guys are gonna see how amazing it is. I put so much work into it and I really wanted to make sure it was everything you guys expected and more. I'm sure you guys are wondering. Andrea, you always have Black Friday sales, so what are you doing this year? The deals should be popping up on the screen for you guys right now in case you want to use them because they are live until tomorrow. So if you guys want 20% off the entire store, we have a bunch of new slimes in stock that you definitely want to use that on. So first we have Rainbow Whip. This one is scented like Skittles sherbet and a true Skittles blend, which is amazing. The base is a mixture of cloud cream and butter slime, so it is a cloud butter. It's really spreadable and really soft like a cloud slime, but when you fluff it up, it actually inflates quite a bit, and then you'll get some really great sizzles from it. It's one of our more dense textures, but I personally love the texture, and it's so holdable and soft. Then we have one that I was going to make a Black Friday exclusive, and then I actually made the slime and I realized like it's so good. This one is Buzzed. If you love coffee, you're gonna love it. If you don't like coffee, I definitely would recommend trying to pick up a different slime. This one is scented like French vanilla creamer and a cappuccino coffee scent. It's delicious. It's amazing. I love it to death, and it is a blend of cloud cream, which is the vanilla creamer, and then the coffee is the coffee jelly that's mixed in, so you guys get to mix that one in yourself and it looks like an ice cream swirl. The texture on this one is like a true cloud cream, so it's really soft. If you guys like slimes that are on the softer side but are really easy to play with and just relaxing, I heavily recommend the cloud creams. Then we have probably my third favorite slime in the restock. This one is Cake Batter Swirl. So this one is another true cloud cream. So it's really soft, really holdable. I love cloud creams, especially for when I'm trying to be productive, but I want a slime to play with in the background. You know what I mean? That's what I definitely recommend these kinds of slimes for. I don't know about you guys, but most of the cake scents I've got do not smell like actual cake. Well, I made sure this one did. So this one smells like a really buttery funfetti cake with a bit of a hazelnut undertone. And can we talk about the presentation? Look how cute this one is. It is a cake base, but then it comes with a pink and a blue buttercream swirl that you guys get to mix in yourself. And of course it is scooped like ice cream, so it definitely looks like a pint of ice cream when you get it. Onto my fourth favorite slime of the video. This one is Bubbleberry Jelly. So I wanted to do some weird ASMR with this one because it was giving me some amazing bubbles on the top. So that is what this is. But on to the texture and the scent. First of all, this one is scented. If you guys remember the zebra stripe gum, it smells exactly like that. If you guys don't know what that is, it's scented like a fruity bubblegum scent. So it smells really, really delicious, especially if you love like the bubblegum kind of scents. And then this one is a pretty thick jelly texture topped with some cute little add-ins. If you guys love jelly slimes, this is the one to grab because it's the only jelly slime in the collection this week and it's super, super cute. So I definitely recommend it. It also inflates really, really nicely. I didn't show a lot of that in this video, but it puffs up just like an icy slime does. So if you're one for inflation, this is definitely one to try out. And finally, we have, okay, low key, this is the one in the restock that I felt like it was going to be boring before I made it. And then I made it. It was so good. This is definitely my 5th favorite slime in the restock, you guys. So this one is Peach Puffball. This is a true butter slime. So it's super, super creamy, super spreadable, a heavy clay-based butter slime. None of those like weak slay slimes out here, okay? If I'm doing a butter, we're going full butter. This one is scented like a sour peach candy. If you guys are OG fans, it's very similar to Peach Ring Gummy, but a little bit more vanilla-based. It's delicious. It's amazing. It's a peach base, but then it has swirls of a deeper pink and then white in it that you guys get to mix in yourself. I thought it was really fun visual. My goal is to make slimes that you guys want to post on your Instagram. I want to give you guys Instagram clout, so that's why that's there. I think it looks super cute. And then the inflation on this one, it is insane. It's so, so good. But that is the 5 slimes that we have coming out in the pre-launch this week. We are going to be back on Cyber Monday with these slimes because they are unlimited, and then a few more slimes that are exclusive to Cyber Monday. So until then, I love you guys so much, but that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.